Alright guys, so we're going to check my favorite vending machine. It is at my busiest location. It's actually at a car wash just down the street. We've got a AP123 and we also have a Dixie Narco 501. So we're gonna go check it, see how it's done. It's been about 2 weeks since I filled it up. So I'm super excited to get over there and check it and see how much money it's got in it. All right, let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, so we're here on location. And like I said, it is a car wash. And it is my busiest, best location I have. Let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, so here's the machines. Looks like we've got a few empty slots. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one right here has one thing left. Again, it is a car wash, so they also have car detailing products. All right, let's go ahead and open it up, see how we did. Likes to auto vend sometimes when I open the door. I do not know why it does that. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Again, it's been 2 weeks. All right, let's check the coins. I usually leave the coins in them. Not too bad, not amazing. Let's check the Coke machine. Dixie Narco. All right, let's check it, see what it's got. Looks like it's got a couple empty slots. Dr. Pepper's is empty, Water's empty, Sunkist, Monster's got 2 or 3 left. Coke's is getting down there. Not too bad. There is also a QT right next door, so this one never does quite amazing on drinks. They can just go next door and buy the drinks. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, count it up, see how we did, and then we're gonna fill the machine. Man, I can't believe how well this machine did. Only was 2 weeks. Y'all comment below how much money y'all think it is. Wow. All right, now it's time to fill it up and get on to the other location. I just left and we had $107 from the snack machine in 2 weeks and $16 in the Coke machine. Like I said, the Coke machine, didn't expect it to do that good. We got a QT within walking distances. So now we are on to the next location. It's another car wash just down the street, and I have that location as well. So let's get there and see how it did. So we're here at the second car wash just down the street. All right, let's check it out and see how these 2 machines did. Got an AP 6600 and a Royal Vendor Live View. Got 2 spots out. Again, because it's a car wash, it's gonna have some of the car wash products. Open it up, see how she did. Again, this location is not quite as busy as the other one. Still not too bad. All right, now we're gonna check the Coke machine. Looks like Sunkist is almost out. Everything else looks pretty good. Monster's getting there. Gatorades are out. See if we can get it all out. There we go. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and close these machines up, get them filled, and we'll see you in the truck. All right, guys, so we're just leaving the second location of the car wash. And that machine, again, slower than the other one we went to, but it had a whopping $73 in it. So not a bad collection at all. That's a good day. So these machines have been there about 2 months. So I'm super excited to see what they're gonna do. Summer's coming, so that means they'll be busier. You know, the longer they're there, the more people will buy. So if you have a car wash location, as far as what does the best actual car wash stuff, it's gonna be the towels. Towels fly off the shelves at those 2 locations. So super excited. I can't wait to show you what else we're gonna be doing with the machines there. Just a lot coming and big things coming. So thank y'all for checking out this episode of Duke Vending. Y'all have a good night.